Tea calms lion. Calms, improves anxiety and fights insomnia. Sleeping at least 8 hours a day is very necessary, so I brought this recipe to help you with that. So leave here for me the city from where you are watching. Let's start our recipe. The first ingredient is fennel. Fennel is interesting because it relaxes the muscles and lowers blood pressure for those with high blood pressure. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of fennel to 1 liter of water here in the pan. We will also use the peel of an orange. Orange peel has many substances that help you sleep. When added to tea, it is very refreshing. Look here, I removed all the orange peel. If you know someone very stressed, you can tag them in the comments. This tea will help that person too. I'll add it to our pot, along with the fennel. Our next ingredient is mint. Add 2 sprigs of mint to the pot. Mint has wonderful properties for the stomach. The combination of these ingredients is amazing, it will help you sleep. Turn the heat on low and let it boil for 10 minutes. After that time, the tea is ready. Let it cool down a bit and then strain it. There's no secret to getting a good night's sleep. Don't waste time, make your quiet lion tea now. Guys, I would like to pass on a message that is in Ecclesiastes 3:11. He did everything appropriate to his time. He also put in the heart of man the longing for eternity, yet he cannot fully understand what God has done. If we think honestly, I think we can all admit that there's a pain that's inside each of us, a sense of longing that never goes away. It was established in our hearts that we spend our time here, doing all we can to get us back home. It is at the end of this walk with God that we will understand what God has done. Thanks for watching this far. Until the next video. Goodbye.